Well, it's tomorrow. That means I'm going to get back on this Mudflap. I think I've come up with a way of making it work. I'm not going to have to do any cutting, but I am have to drill some holes. The other Mudflap had holes in the right spot, but they weren't in the right spot. The Mudflap was too long. So I went up to the auto parts store and got a new set. Well, actually I exchanged them. This set was $6.46 cheaper. Well, let's get started. Oh, by the way, the wind's really up. You may not be able to hear much, so be prepared for some music. I need to drill some new holes in this Mudflap so I can mount it up on the truck. And the trick is I need to try to have this thing lined up at a reasonable level. I'm going to mount the holes just a little bit lower than they were in this brand new Mudflap. Well, we're going to give it a try. Well, that's all done. One more on the other side, and the truck is ready to go. Well, at least mostly ready to go. Huh.